Today, we're diving into the world of high-speed NAS networking with the IEI QNAP QXG-5G1T-111C. This PCIe-supported network interface card is designed to turbocharge your NAS system with blazing fast 5 Gigabit Ethernet connectivity, setting a new standard for data transfer speeds. First off, let's talk about installation. The QXG-5G1T-111C slots effortlessly into your PCIe-compatible NAS system, ensuring a seamless upgrade process. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a newbie, the installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. But what really sets this card apart is its multi-gigabit capability. With support for 5 Gigabit Ethernet, you can say goodbye to bottleneck data transfers and hello to lightning-fast speeds. Whether you're streaming 4K videos, backing up large files, or running bandwidth-intensive applications, this card delivers unrivaled performance that's sure to impress. And let's not forget about reliability. Built by IEI, a trusted name in the industry, the QXG-5G1T-111C boasts top-notch build quality and robust hardware, ensuring stability and longevity for your NAS system. Say goodbye to network downtime and hello to uninterrupted productivity. In terms of compatibility, this card plays nice with a wide range of NAS systems, making it a versatile choice for users across different platforms. Whether you're rocking a QNAP, Synology, or other leading NAS brand, rest assured that the QXG-5G1T-111C has got you covered. To wrap it up, if you're looking to supercharge your NAS system with lightning-fast multi-gigabit connectivity, the IEI QNAP QXG-5G1T-111C is hands down one of the best options on the market. With easy installation, blazing fast speeds, and rock-solid reliability, it's a game-changer for any NAS enthusiast. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.